playing on our instrument, we're just really excited when our eyes can follow along in the music and we can basically make the right sounds and hope that our fingers are in the right spot. But then we progress very quickly into a lot more musical skills. So the next piece of music, we're going to be playing in harmony, and we're going to be showing you the fact that they can actually play more than one volume. They do not only know just loud, they can play soft and loud, and they can change in the middle of a song. So this next piece is Russian folk song.